Well, we're back to the hydrogen shed here, guys. You see, I've just basically pretty recently returned here, and I've got a few things to sort out in Australia, and you can see the test bench. There's a lot of the gears missing, and what I'm doing is I'm clearing out. I'm going to be selling all of the test equipment that I've used in the hydrogen project, and probably many of the other things, and this will assist me in continuing the journey, which won't be here in Australia. So you fans, you loyal subscribers that have been around for a while, will remember these cells here that were on the four-wheel drive project. They were putting out about 15 to 20 litres a minute of HHO. The bubbler, a lot of the old project gear there. That's how long I've been away, guys. Look at the sodium hydroxide there is recrystallised. It can probably still be used. Boxes full of tubes, stainless steel tubes everywhere. I've got cartons of them. The test gear, probably some of these I think this is an IGBT power controller. You can modulate up to a few hundred kilohertz of 20-30 amps of power, no problem. Yeah, we'll get rid of some of the gears, boys. I've got to make room, and I'm not going to be continuing the project here in Australia that I can foresee. There's the old spiral cell. I might put that up there. If any of you guys are interested in taking anything, probably that flashback arrestor. You would have seen one of the videos on that. All this gear has been in the videos. They're on the channel. So the final solution of moving is a lot of this stuff just has to go. So we'll be having a major clear out in this shed. Getting rid of a lot of gear from here. So we've got more test gear over there. Here's an interesting project, boys, for modifying alternators. Here's the test setup there. That'll probably go as well. If you watch the alternator modification videos, modifying the alternators for HHO use, that's a handy item to have there. Okay, all my function generators, frequency generation, some metering and oscilloscopes and monitoring equipment is on eBay right now. If you want to have a look at it or purchase any of it, it's you've probably all seen it working here. It hasn't had a lot of use, and it's never let me down. It's up on eBay now. I'll put the link up, and then I plan to continue the project in Asia. I'm having some difficulties in Thailand, where I've been for the last 18 months on and off or more, like 2 years on and off. I just came back from 9 months there. I need to do a visa for my retirement visa. I need to do a visa extension run, I'm calling it. I just have to leave the country and return before the 1 year visa expires and it gets revalidated, but that's another story. A lot of problems with the visa. There's to continue the work in Thailand is going to be facing hurdles and hoops and hurdles to start a business, I think, with that particular visa. So I've got to reevaluate the whole situation there in Thailand. Nothing's easy to do there these days. So we'll see what options come up. But the project in Thailand hasn't kicked off, hasn't got off the ground yet. Still in I'll call it a planning phase. But the plan does not include continuing here in Australia. So we're going to continue on after this is done. We're heading back to Thailand. But we've both been over here, me and my wife, me and the missus, we're here, and we've had new grandchildren born. Our first granddaughter with our daughter, and what else have we got? Oh, we've been doing tax. We've been doing looking after my sick mother. Is 86. She's just checked in at a nursing home, which was, it's the best thing at this stage in her life, but having a lot of medical difficulties, and she's been in and out of hospitals for several years, but just more frequently until the point where she needs full-time professional care, medical care. So there's a nursing home. We should be here, and we are here. So anyhow, life continues on, guys, and it will be continuing on the journey. So here's all the gear that's on eBay at the moment. I'll put the link up. Got I think 3 or 4 days left of the auction, but if anyone's interested, these are the actual units I was using in the HHO project. So I used them to varying degrees, not a lot of use actually. So have a look on eBay, boys, if you're interested.